Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix SD card or USB card reader not working here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step is at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. And the moment you've typed that, the system called command prompt will appear. Here you need to click on Run as administrator, and the moment you've clicked on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the command prompt as administrator. Where here you need to input a command tasks. Okay, just simply post this video so that you can take a picture or you can take a note of it. It is msdt.exe space dash id space device diagnostic. Just have to do a right click here if you want to paste it and then click on paste. Okay, so here it is msdt once again dot exe space dash id space device diagnostic. The moment you've typed that, click on enter to proceed, and here a new window called hardware and devices will appear. You need to click on advanced and make sure that this apply repairs automatically will be checked, and then click on next. So it will take some time, just have to be patient. Okay, so you just have to put a lot of patience since it will take some time, and then you need to complete the process and it will surely fix the problem. Okay? So check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? Unless if it doesn't, I will not go further since mine is working fine. But in your case, you have to continue and complete the process. Okay? So in order to fix the problem, I'll be showing you a second solution. And the second solution is you need to press your Windows and R key together. And here, a small window called Run will appear. Here you need to type for disk mgmt dot MSC. Again, it is disk mgmt.msc, then click on OK. And the moment you've click on it, a new window will appear called Disk Management. Okay, so here you need to select your SD card or USB card reader and then do a right click. And here you need to go with change drive letter and paths. Okay. So here in this window, you can see here it has this three options which are add, changed, and removed. Go with the second, which is changed. And here in this window, you can change drive letter or path. Just have to click this down arrow and you need to select the letter that you'd like. Okay. So in my case, I'll go with letter M, which is my name initial. But in your case, go with the letter that you prefer to. And then click on OK, and it asks you to confirm. Just simply click on yes to proceed, and it is being changed here from letter E to letter M in my case. Okay, so just have to close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.